Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Okay. So, ating titingnan ng kanilang feelings. Siyempre, si person mo, no? The person on your mind. Titingnan natin ang kanilang feelings by next week pagdating sa iyo. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and yeah, don't forget na i-follow ang ating FB page. Same name lang po ng ating channel. Okay, and yes, pagdating sa ating private or personal reading, kung meron pong tanong, message lang po sa ating pong FB page for more info. Okay? So, yan. Let's start. Okay. So, syempre, meron tayong ganito para hindi na tayo magkawalaan, no? Oo, yan na lang yung ating guide. Hindi na yung timestamp. Sakit sa ulo. Okay, Aries placements. Okay, so, ano bang emosyon sa'yo ni person mo by next week? Tingnan natin. Okay. Emosyon niya pagdating sa'yo by next week. The Sun in reverse. Okay. So, some of them may pagka-moody. Some of them hindi na nagpapakita or hindi na nagpaparamdam. Hindi nagiging klaro by next week. There is confusion. Some of them, they're confused pagdating sa emosyon nila sa'yo. Okay? Why? Why the Sun in reverse? The Queen of Swords in reverse. Some of you, napaka-maldita mo daw. Specific yun. Napaka-bungangera mo daw. Pwedeng mapababae, mapalalaki ha. Okay? Kung ganun ka, then, nilalamig. Oo. Nakakaramdam na ng panlalamig itong person mo. Kung ganun ka, kung masyado kang mabunganga. Yes. Well, kung deserve naman yung bungangaan no? Pero yun ang nakikita ko. Kinukuha lang natin yung magiging emosyon niya sa'yo by next week. Okay? Yeah. Some of them, ito meron ditong natatakot na maging open pagdating sa kanilang emosyon. Or talagang, nanlalamig. I don't know why. Yeah, the Emperor. Someone is too controlling. Some of you, pwede maging vice versa. Okay, maging vice versa. This is you, the Emperor. This is your energy, Aries. Okay, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng ikaw yung kinokontrol. Pwede namang ikaw yung nangongontrol. Kapag may nangyayaring pangongontrol, andun yung panlalamig by next week. Okay, the High Priestess. Ang dami ng nabubuong scenarios. Nandito na yung ang sinasabing kapag pinipigil mo lalong gustong makawala. Parang ganyan. No? The Sun in reverse. Yeah, the Magician in reverse. The Ten of Chalices. Okay. The Queen. The Queen of Pentacles. Some of you, both, kayo pareho kayo ng gender. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, may pagpapakumbabang ginagawa or gagawin next week. Okay? Kasi nandun yung takot ng isa. I-fit nyo na lang yung sarili nyo kung saan kayo sa situation. May natatakot dahil meron ditong someone na talagang controlling, matapang. So, yung isa is parang magpapakumbaba na lang. So, kapag may nangyayaring ganyan, andyan yung may isip niya na parang wala siyang pakialam sa akin. Bakit ganyan? Manlalamig. Okay? Kahit sabihin natin pinagbibigyan lang. Pero, nandoon yung iniisip na parang mali na. Okay? Parang mali na. Yeah. Some of you, may chance na kumuha ng attention yan from another person. Pero hindi kayo totally iiwan. Yun lang. Yun lang. I guess, sa friends nila, like that. Makikipag-inuman kung kanino. Yan, mga ganyan. With their friends. Okay? So, there. Yun ang nakikita ko from them. Next is Taurus. Ano ang feelings nila pagdating sa'yo by next week? Okay. By next week. Anong feelings nila sa'yo, Taurus? The Knight of Chalices. The Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Someone is parang hindi nagiging fair. Hindi magiging fair. Yeah, the Hermit. Andito yung pagka-selfish ng isa. Kung saan siya sasaya, go. Hindi nito iisipin, mararamdaman mo, iisipin kung anong iisipin mo sa kanya. Basta magawa niya yung gusto niya, go. Like that. Parang okay, gagawin ko na to lahat kung anong gusto kong gawin. Tapos, para isang sorihan na lang. Isang pagalitan na lang. Mga ganun. Yeah, may pagtatago ako nakikita rito by next week. The Emperor. Yeah, the Four of Pentacles. Yes. May pagtatago. Okay. Iba rito. May babawi. Like, kunyari, yun nga, gagawa siya ng hindi hindi mo magugustuhan, pero may kapalit agad. Meron agad iaabot. Parang ganun. Yeah, I'm channeling. May iaabot agad sa'yo, Taurus. Parang pampalubag loob. Okay? Peace offering agad yun. No? What's with the Hermit? Yeah, the Hangman in reverse. The Ten of Chalices. Yeah, hindi naman masyadong madugo ang mangyayari. Yung iba rito kasi magka-relation kayo nito. Yeah. Kasi itong taong to parang ayaw niya nang kinokontrol siya, lalo na pagdating sa mga kagustuhan niya. Parang okay, gagawin ko to. Wala akong pakialam kahit mapagalitan ako or what. Magkaaway kami or what. Yes. Kasi someone is talagang matapang na gumawa ng mga bagay patungkol sa sarili. Okay? Itatago, ganyan. Some of them, parang idadahilan pa ang work. Okay? May pagtatago dining mangyayari next week. Pero hindi naman magtatagal tong arguments. Yeah, may konting arguments, pero yeah, hindi naman magtatagal. Okay? Yeah. May parang pakipot-pakipot pang mangyayari next week sa inyong dalawa. Yung mga may magpapaamo, may mga amo, yan, ganyan, okay? So, next is Gemini, okay? So, Gemini, may magpapaganda, may magpapapogi next week. I don't know. Anong meron? Okay. Emosyon ni person mo. By next week sa iyo, Gemini. Death in reverse. Some of you, this is a past person. Okay. The King of Wands in reverse. The Nine of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you, namimiss ka. Pero, itong taong to, malaki yung ego nito. Okay, alam nito na gusto mo siya. Mapababae, mapalalaki, ha? Alam nito na gusto mo siya. Pwedeng magpapansin sa'yo to by next week. Okay? Yeah. Pwedeng magpapansin sa'yo to by next week. Pero hindi ko nakikitang seryosohan to. Okay? Pwedeng magkumustahan lang. Pag may message lang sa'yo. Yeah, kasi pwedeng out of the blue. Out of the blue. Bigla ka lang papasok sa isipan niya. Okay, yeah. May mga naitatagong gamit itong taong to na ibinigay mo. That's why. Okay? Yeah, Strength Universe, King of Wands Universe. Yeah, the World Universe. Hindi pa kayo tapos kasi nito. Walang nangyaring closure. Okay? Yeah, the Six of Pentacles. Kumustahan? Yan. Pero be careful, ha? Okay? Ayaw natin na parang maluloko na naman tayo nito. Okay? Huwag kayo masyadong papauto or huwag kayo masyadong mag-expect sa taong ito. Okay? Magpapamiss lang siya by next week. I don't know, maybe gusto magpahabol. Wag mo habulin yan. No? Okay? So, titingnan nila kung bibigyan nyo sila ng attention. Yeah, they're attention seeker. Okay? Yun lang. Yun lamang ang akin nakikita. Ganun lang kabilis. So, next. Cancer. Okay. Cancer, someone is missing you or pwedeng ikaw namimiss mo tong tao na to. Okay? Anong meron by next week, Cancer? Anong feelings? Emosyon ni person mo or ng person na to by next week sa'yo? The Four of Wands Universe. So, there's separation. May separation dito. The Eight of Swords, they're trying to release. Okay? Yung kanilang hindi na sila gaano masyadong nag-iisip about you. Sa totoo lang. Okay? Yeah, the Page of Wands. Some of them, medyo, sabihin natin, nagsisimula na ulit. Okay? Some of them, pwedeng meron ng mga kakonect sa ngayon. Okay? Kabi-kabila. Okay? Also, the Four of Wands Universe. Yeah, the Nine of Pentacles Universe. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng sabihin nating mayroon pang naitatago itong taong to. Nabigay mo, mga ganyan. Eight of Swords Universe. Yeah, the Two of Chalices. Parang yun yung yun yung still nagko-connect, yun yung nagbibigay ng connection, kung ano man yung binigay mo sa kanya, yun yung nagbibigay ng connection pa rin. Pero some of them, pwedeng aalisan na niya, tatapon na niya. Okay? Kasi ayaw na niya magulo. Ayaw na niyang kung ano-ano pa ang maisip, like that. Kasi tinatry na nilang i-release yung sarili nila sa connection na nangyari. Yeah, may ending dito. Okay? Yeah, the Hierophant. Some of them pwedeng meron ng bagong correlation ngayon. Cancer. Okay? Yeah. Some of them pwedeng ang pinagkakaabalahan ng mga to is business. Yeah. The Hierophant, the Page of Wands, this is business. Okay? Yeah. Iba sa inyo talagang malakas pa rin talaga yung connection or yung sabihin nating soul tie na sinasabi. Okay? Nandoon pa rin, damang-dama pa rin. Pero yeah, hindi nila para i-focus doon yung kanilang sarili dahil gusto nila magkaroon ng pagbabago, bagong simula, like that. Okay? So, there. Next is Leo. Okay. Leo, ano ang feeling sa'yo ni person mo by next week? By next week, anong feelings ni person mo sa iyo? Leo. Okay. Okay. The Ace of Pentacles in reverse. So, by next week, wala akong nakikita ritong peace offering or something offer na manggagaling from them. Okay? The Ace of Pentacles universe, pwedeng ito is a sign din na naging miss opportunity. They feel, parang miss opportunity if ever may separation. Okay? Yeah, the Three of Pentacles. They're trying na gawing busy yung sarili nila. Okay? Maraming pinagkakaabalahan, ganyan. Yeah, the Four of Pentacles. Way lang nila yun para ang tawag doon, para ma-distract sila, no? para ma-distract sila if ever nga na may nangyaring separation. Para ma-distract yung feelings nila, yung emosyon nila. Yan. Gagawin nilang busy yung sarili nila by next week. They're holding back. They are holding back. Yeah. The Ace of Chalices in reverse. May nasayang. Okay? May nasayang. Emosyon. Yeah. Iba sa kanila, ayaw nilang sayangin yung energy nila kakaisip sa'yo. Yes. The King of Wands. Sa totoo lang kasi, yung iba sa kanila, meron pa ring feelings, no? Meron pa rin. Or sabihin natin, attraction. Maigaw lang. Maigaw lang. Yeah. Three of Pentacles. See? Again, the Ace of Chalices. In reverse. Yeah. Ayaw nilang masasayang yung energy nila kakaisip sa'yo, Leo. Okay? Ayaw nilang bigyang atensyon yung energy na meron kayo or sa'yo. Okay? Ayaw niya nun. The Three of Chalices. Yes. Nag-hold back. May ego, nag-hold back ng kagustuhan na makipag-reconcile. Ayaw nila na gagawa sila ng action pagdating sa pakikipag-reconciliation dahil ayaw nilang yung parang mabuboost yung ego nila. So, ang ginagawa nila parang pinofocus na lang nila sa ibang bagay. Oo. Yung kagustuhan nilang yun para ma-distract nila yung sarili nila. The Four of Swords. They're thinking, parang overthinking or like, masyado silang nag-iisip nga. Okay? Pagdating sa'yo. Rumirenta ka sa isip nito, Leo. Yes. Okay? Okay. So, next. Virgo. Okay. Virgo placements. Ano ang feelings? Anong meron pagdating sa person mo by next week? Okay. So, may nag-message lang. Okay. So, ano bang feelings nila towards you by next week, Virgos? The Page of Chalices. Some of you, pwedeng makakuha ng message from them. Makakuha ng sorry, Virgo. Someone will express their emotions. Yeah, Knight of Swords, a fast communication by next week for some of you. Some of you. Hindi lahat. Okay? Yeah. The King of Swords in reverse. Okay, so I think nandoon rin yung takot nila. Yes, nandoon rin yung takot. Parang hindi ko kaya. Hindi ko kaya i-approach si Virgo. Yeah, Two of Pentacles. They're juggling. May message ko ba? Hindi. Message ko ba? Hindi. Merong mag-chat or may magme-message. Kulang na lang pindutin yung send. Pero buburahin. Buburahin at hindi pipindutin ang send. No? Okay. The Four of Wands. They still want, no, na magkaroon pa rin ng connection with you. The Sun. Okay. Page of Chalices. Again, the Sun. Okay. The World. Kung ikaw, Virgo, masyado ka nang busy. The Four of Wands, this is like stability. Okay? Kapag ikaw, alam niya na marami ka ng mga pinagagawa sa ngayon, parang nakaka-intimidate, nakakatakot kang i-approach like that. May chance kasi na pwedeng iniisip nila na pwedeng i-reject mo sila. Okay? Pero yung iba talaga rito makakakuha ng ng apologize. No, it's too late to apologize. Ha? Makakuha yung iba rito ng message from your person. Yes. May magso-sorry, Virgo. What's with the King of Swords, universe? The Seven of Swords. May takot to eh. Takot. Etong taong to, nangangalap pa to ng ng mga dapat niyang sabihin. Hinahanda niya yung sarili niya. Oo. Yeah, the Page of Swords, universe, stalking. Stalk. Nakikibalita kung kanino, ano bang nangyayari na kay Virgo. Para alam ko rin kung ano mga sasabihin ko sa kanya. Like that. Or pwedeng para handa ako if ever, kung ano bang meron. Okay? Yeah. Four of Wands, please. Oops, yan. May nag-flip. Okay. The Eight of Swords, universe. Yung iba sa inyo, ang iniisip nito is meron kayong kakonect ng iba. Yes. Okay? Meron ka ng kakonect na iba. The Five of Pentacles, universe. Makikipagayos to. Kung ikaw, alam mo sa sarili mong meron ka ng kakonect ngayon, may chance na i-approach ka nitong past mo. This is a past person. Okay? Kung iba naman dito, if this is like new, okay, kung new person ito, gustong-gusto ka niyang kausap. Okay? Gustong-gusto ka niyang kausap, pero andun yung limit. Alam niyang may limit. Okay? King of Swords universe, the Seven of Swords universe, alam niya, there's something. Okay? May something na limit na parang, oops, hanggang dito lang ako. Pagdating kay Virgo. Like that. Okay? Kung bago to. Some of you may nagkaka-crush. No? Gustong-gusto ko lang kausapin. Like that. Okay? Yeah. Ba't ako may naririnig sumbungan ng bayan? I don't know. Ano yung sumbungan ng bayan? Virgo. I don't know. So, yun ang nakikita ko. Pwedeng, iba sa inyo, yung crush nyo na to, or crush ka, is pwedeng nag-o-open ng mga secrets. Okay? Yeah, mga ganyan. Okay, next is Libra. Okay. Libra. Feelings ni person mo by next week. Okay. Feelings niya by next week. The Sun in reverse. Confused. Pwedeng sila is hindi na rin nila alam. Wala na silang idea totally about you. Okay. The Sun in reverse. The Chariot. Oh, some of them, they're sad. Pwedeng Leo, pwedeng Cancer. Some of them, malungkot sila. Gusto nilang may malaman sa'yo, the Moon in reverse. Gusto nilang may marinig, kahit anong balita, galing sa'yo, like that. Hindi pa rin sila nakaka-move on totally, the Chariot in reverse. Okay? Yeah, they miss you. The Six of Chalices. Water sign. They miss you. Libra, nalungkot ako bigla. Oo, nalungkot ako bigla. Why the Sun in reverse? The Page of Swords. Some of them, they're stalking you. They want to talk. I don't know, pwedeng ikaw hindi ka aware na ini-stalk ka niya. Okay? Pwedeng hindi ka aware na ini-stalk ka niya. Yeah, the Seven of Swords. Meron talaga ditong stalker. May nag-i-spy. Someone is being sneaky by next week. Okay. May gumagamit ng dummy account. Like that. Para ma-stalk ka. Okay. So, hindi na reason ang ating block na iyan. No? Block po ako eh. Ay, naka-block po ako sa kanya. I don't care. Ha? Okay, ang dami account na pwedeng gamitin. Okay, ang daming pwedeng, oy, ate, ano nga ako, paggamit nga ako ng FB mo, may titingnan lang ako. Mga ganun. Okay. Oy, pare, patingin nga ako ng cellphone mo, may titingnan lang ako. Okay? Oo, okay. Ano tong the Chariot in reverse? Bakit sila hindi pa rin nakaka-move on? The Two of Chalices in reverse. The Strength in reverse. Parang hindi nila kaya na wala ka. Oh no, this is so sad. Yes. Hindi nito kaya na magkakaroon ka ng iba. Libra, hindi niya kaya. Ayaw niya nun. Okay? Masyadong malungkot tong taong to. They still want. Ito the Five of Pentacles, the Strength in reverse. Wala lang siyang kakayahan na para i-fix yung situation nyo, Libra. Oh, sad. What's with the Six of Chalices? Yeah, the Magician. So, ang nakikita ko dito, some of them, they're just like manifesting a communication with you. Yeah, they're just like manifesting. Some of them, they're like praying. Humihiling sana na isang araw magkaroon pa rin kayo ng pagtatagpo, pag-uusap in the near future. Some of you, nakakita ko nang magkakaroon pa rin kayo ng pag-asang magkaroon ng connection. I don't know kung anong connection, pero yeah, iba rito, as simple as communication. Okay? Itong taong to may feelings pa rin sa'yo. Alam niyang sinayang ka niya. Sinayang ka niya. There's regrets. Yeah, there's regrets. Pangihinayang. Masyadong sad. Next is Scorpio. Okay, Scorpio placements. Anong emosyon sa'yo ni person mo by next week? Okay, Scorpio. The Six of Wands. They want your attention. They will get your attention by next week. Oh, parang the Eight of Wands in reverse. Okay, iba rito pwedeng may black, no? Death in reverse. Oh, nakakita ko rito ng parang by next week may ipapakita itong something na pagbabago. Okay? May i-unblock by next week. May i-unblock. Yeah, the Queen of Wands. Something may pagbabago. Meron ditong energy na pwedeng magbabago ng profile picture. Yes, there's something like changes pagdating sa person na to para makuha yung attention mo. By next week. Okay? Pwedeng hindi kayo nag-uusap nito. Walang pag-uusap ako nakikita by next week. Pero, they will try to get your attention. I don't know how. Pwedeng sa figure niya or sa appearance. Sa kanyang, sa personality. May babaguhin. Basta may babaguhin siya by next week. Okay? Na makaka-catch ng iyong attention. Okay. Six of Wands. Yeah, the Four of Chalices. Scorpio, kasi itong taong to, by next week, parang ang nakikita ko dito is, maglaway ka. Ayun yung naririnig ko sa kanya, maglaway ka. Parang ganon. Yeah. I don't know kung ikaw yung umiwan dito. Pero yes, yun yung nakikita ko. Yeah, the 10 of Wands, universe. So, walang communication na mangyayari by next week. Okay? Puro pa-charming. Puro pa-charming, yeah. May pagbabagong mangyayari kasi. Pwedeng may makita ka sa taong ito, kahit hindi niya talaga on purpose na gagawin yun, yung magpapa-charming sa'yo. Pwedeng makikita mo siya, like may bago. Okay? What's with death, universe? The Six of Swords. Yeah. The Fool. Pwedeng, yung iba naman, no? Pwedeng on purpose nilang gagawin. Like, gagawin nila yun para ikaw yung kumunik, ikaw yung mangumusta sa kanila, like that. Mag-take ka ng risk, like that. Pero, pagdating sa kanila, wala. Okay? Walang mangyayari. Walang communication coming from them. Okay? I think ikaw yung gagawa. Pwede kasi ang nakikita ko is, ikaw is totally wala ka na rin namang ginagawa rito. Like, wala ka nang ginagawang anything. Okay, patungkol sa kanya. Wala na. So, I guess, kukunin lang niya yung attention mo by next week. I don't know why. Attention seeker, I guess. Yun lang. Gusto lang niya makuha yung attention mo. Yeah. Trying to get your attention by next week. Yeah. Okay, yun lang. Wala namang masyado. Okay, so next is Sagittarius. Yan. Okay. Sag. Halo ko bigla. Okay. Some of you, Libra si person. Okay. Sagittarius, anong feelings, emotions meron si person by next week towards you? Okay. Pwedeng Libra, pwedeng Aquarius. Ang iyong person. The Three of Chalices. May mangyayari bang reconciliation by next week? Tingnan natin. May energy. Okay, may energy. Some of you, may pagkikita rito. Okay? The Lovers. Sag. Meron bang mangyayari next week na pagbabalikan? Ginawa ko yung reading mo kanina. Yes, kanina laang. And ang outcome nun ay pagbabalikan. Eight of Pentacles, someone will make effort. Oh. Tingnan natin. Okay. The Judgment in reverse. Okay, some of you, pwedeng Scorpio. So, nandito si Water Sign, si Gemini, and Scorpio. Okay. The King of Chalices. Someone is in love. Sino? Ikaw or siya? Kung sino yung makikipagbalikan. Yeah. May reconciliation na mangyayari sa iba sa inyo by next week. Okay? What's with the Lovers? Kasi yung isa sa inyo is parang sobrang nang nag-iisip. No? Feeling stuck. Parang kailangan ko na talagang gumawa ng action. Like that. No? Ano tong Lovers? What's with the Lovers? For Sagittarius. The Knight of Chalices in reverse. Okay. The Queen of Swords. Sabi na. Ang nakikita ko kasi rito is like, hindi ko nakikitang magiging consistent. Lalo na pagdating sa actions, pagdating sa communication. Okay? Ang mahirap kasi dito, some of them pwedeng merong iba. Namamangka sa dalawang ilog. Okay? Gusto nilang bumalik sa'yo kahit sabihin nating meron silang kakonek. Be the Queen of Swords. Gamitin mong utak mo, hindi yung emosyon. Okay? Okay. Yeah. What's with the Judgment in reverse? So, sinasabi rito, this is a repeat. Okay? So, hindi na kailangan ng repeat. Yeah. The Two of Pentacles. May pagja-juggle. If you're not sure, if you have doubts, huwag gawin. Okay? The Ace of Chalices in reverse. Some of you, huwag masyadong maging open pagdating sa emosyon. Okay? Huwag yung galak na galak ka na dahil bumalik itong taong to. Hindi mo alam. 5 pala kayo. Okay? Okay. So, next. Capricorns. Okay, Capricorns. Ano ba ang feelings ni person mo by next week pagdating sa'yo? Okay, Capricorns. Capricorns. Okay. The Nine of Swords. There is tension. Okay, someone is too afraid to move, to take action. Someone is overthinking. Someone is like, hindi na makatulog. Kakaisip sa'yo. The Two of Wands. There is, I think, separation or sabihin nating malayo kayo sa isa't isa. Okay? The Nine of Wands. Okay. Grabe ng pag-iisip ng taong to sa'yo. The Three of Pentacles. Itong taong to open nito sa pakikipag-ayos actually. Okay? Pero they are afraid. Okay? To take charge. Ika nga. The Four of Swords. They are thinking. Overthinking. Okay? Pagdating sa'yo. Pagdating sa situation nyo. Natatakot silang mag-fail. Natatakot silang ma-reject. I don't know. May mga plano sila pagdating sa'yo. Pero, yung planong yun, parang matetenga lang sa pagiging plano lang. Dahil takot sila na gumawa ng action. Okay. Nine of Swords, please. The Queen of Pentacles. Nakakaramdam ako dito ng like, nakukonsensya. Some of you, sobrang bait mo sa taong to. Capricorn. Nakonsensya tong taong to. Nakonsensya sila. Kung ikaw, masyado kang parang nagamit ng taong to noon, nakukonsensya sila ngayon. Yeah. They want to make peace with you, the justice. Some of them, meron tayong Three of Pentacles here. Ayaw natin dito ng mga energy ng 3, pero syempre, kung meron ditong third party, kahit gustong gusto kang kausapin, lapitan ng taong to, hindi nila magawa dahil ayaw nilang maging isang parte ng isang third party relationship. Okay? Okay. So, Nine of Wands in reverse. Yeah, the Ace of Wands. Still, gusto nito ng balikan, ng pagbabalik. Pero, nakakapagod. The Nine of Wands in reverse. Itong taong to open to for another beginning, for a new beginning. Lalo na kung walang third party, lalo na kung wala namang masyado talagang arguments or whatsoever na issue, open to. Pero yun nga lang, ikaw ang nakikita kong dapat gumawa ng action kasi sa kanila wala. Kung hindi mo kayang gawin, then don't. Okay? So, Three of Pentacles. What's with the Three of Pentacles? They want to build something. Again. Yeah, the Hermit in reverse. The Four of Chalices. Alam mo, Capricorn, para sa kanya, ang hirap mong pakawalan. Ang hirap. Okay? Dumating sa punto na itong taong to, nagkaroon na siya ng mga plano with you. Pero I don't know, some of you merong third party involvement. Ayaw niya maging isang parte nun. Kahit gustong gusto ka nito, dun lang siya sa tama. Okay? Okay, so, yeah. You're the one that got away. Para sa kanila, you're the one that got away. Okay, next is Aqua. Aquarius. Anong emosyon niya sa'yo by next week? Aqua. Anong emosyon niya pagdating sa iyo? Okay. There. The Queen of Chalices in reverse. So, this person is a self-centered person. Okay? Merong energy rito. Itong taong to is pwedeng iniisip lang niya yung kapakanan niya. The Six of Swords in reverse. The King of Chalices. So, we have a pair here. Okay? Meron tayong pares dito. Hindi yung kinakain, ah. Uuya ko nun. I don't know. Bakit pares? Yung kinakain. Oo, high blood din tayo dyan. Okay, so Queen of Chalices and the King of Chalices. Meron tayong pair dito. Meron ditong, yung isa is talagang open emotionally. Yung isa hindi. Kung meron ditong magbabalik, okay? Kung may magbabalik na person from the past, if this is your person from the past, pwedeng there is manipulation here na mangyayari by next week. Okay? Strength is in the under, okay? Under the deck. So I guess ang kailangan mong gawin is to be, sabihin natin, to hold back. To hold back kahit kilig na kilig ka na. Kailangan mong pigilin. Bakit po? Mamanipulate ka nito. Gagamitin niya yung emosyon mo. Okay? Gusto mo ba nun? Ayaw natin nun. Ha? Okay? Ano tong Queen of Chalices in reverse? Okay. Queen of Chalices in reverse. See? The Six of Chalices. Wag ha. Oo. Gagamitin nito yung emosyon mo. Gagamitin nito yung pinagsamahan nyo. Meron ako nakikita, may darating, may magbabalik. Next week, may magpaparamdam. Parang multo lang, no? Okay, ano tong Six of Chalices? Yes, nandun yung pagkamis. I don't know, maybe bored lang siya. Okay? Yeah, the Eight of Swords. Babalik siya pero marami ka pa ring katanungan. Madadagdagan pa. May tanong ka na nga, madadagdagan pa. Ano bang meron? Bakit pa siya nabalik? Bakit ba? Ano bang dahilan? Okay? Gusto lang nito sigurong malaman yung feelings mo for him. Or for them. Or for her. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, the devil in reverse. King of Chalices, please. The Ace of Wands. The Seven of Wands. There is tension. Some of you may block. Pero may i-unblock. Okay? Nakakita ko rito na pagbabalikan next week, mga Aquarius. Okay? Kung kayo may kakonect sa ngayon, hindi kayo nagiging equal. Alam nyo kung anong gumagalaw lang sa inyo. Ha? Kaya nagkakaroon ng sabihin nating connection kahit hindi kayo equal. Anong gumagalaw? Alam mo na. Ha, yun lang ang nagpapaikot, nagpapagalaw sa inyo. Okay? Hindi nagiging equal kasi pwedeng isa is sobrang attached, yung isa is hindi. Okay? So, there. Whew. Okay, next is Pisces. Okay. Pisces. Oh. Nakakita ko ng drama by next week. Pisces. Drama. Emotions ni person mo by next week, Pisces. Pisces. Okay. The Sun. The Six of Wands. Attraction. Attention. The Fool. Okay, the Sun. What's with the Sun? The King of Wands in reverse. Kung may separation, kahit sabihin natin hindi, meron ditong person na parang may mangyayaring like ganon. May mangyayaring ganon. Okay? Pero yeah, be careful. Be careful. Pwedeng may mangyaring something, merong mabuo. Ha? Oo. Kung hindi ka magiging careful, pwedeng may mabuo. Sa mangyayari next week. Okay? Okay. Yeah, the Hermit. Baka bumisita kayo sa doktor. Ha? Okay? Yeah, that's the doctor. Pagdating sa tarot. Six of Wands, please. The King of Swords. Okay. Meron ditong if ever, meron ditong, yun nga, may disconnect. Okay? Some of you, nakikita ko rito, labanan ng ego. Yes, labanan ng ego. Kung sinong una na magpakumbaba siya ang talo. Okay. What's with the Fool? The High Priestess. Walang babasag ng katahimikan. Okay? Yeah, the Knight of Swords. Walang action or walang, sabi natin, communication. Magkaiba yung energy yung kanina, ha? Okay, iba tong energy na sinasabi ko ngayon. Kung meron kayong ka-relation ngayon, be careful. Okay? Pwedeng may mangyari. By next week, may mabuo. Okay? Mini you as a result. Kung mayroon ditong separation, ego ang labanan nito. By next week, drama, sabi ko sa inyo. Okay? Walang babasag ng katahimikan. By next week, meron ditong kukuha at kukuha ng atensyon ng isa't isa. Patamaan sa FB post, mga ganyan. Okay? Kung sinong tumingin ng my day. Yung mga ganon. Yeah. Yung iba rito, pwedeng same gender kayo. Yes. Some of you, nakakita ko rito ng tago yung relationship nyo. Yeah, tago. Okay? Pero, you're happy. You're happy. Kung ganun man, no? Kung same gender kayo, you're happy. Hindi nyo pinapakinggan pwedeng hindi nyo pinapakinggan yung mga pwedeng sabihin ng iba. Basta magkasama kayo, you're fine. Like that. Okay? So, yeah. Yun ang ating nakikita sa ngayon. Okay? For all signs. So, there. Hanggang dito lang muna. Don't forget na mag-like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.